Hi guys, this is me Kirti. So welcome to my channel. So today this is going to be a review of the Vere Wokefield Estate here near Reading in Berkshire. Hope you enjoy it. So this is my room 210 and you insert your card. Voila! As soon as you enter, there is an fire action plan, holders for messages, please spruce up my room, and then emergency notice. So there is ample space for storage. You have like 3 cupboards. They are vertical cupboards. So I've stored my pant, and in the first cupboard basically there is an ironing table and an iron. In the second cupboard you have 2 extra pillows. I don't know why you would need that much. Some extra towels and a very good hair dryer. So this is the hair dryer. It's really good, parlor standard. Oops. And then in the third drawer, in the third cupboard, you have a safe, also a fan for those who find it really hot. So, and you have ample storage space with so many hangers. Right now my coat and my shirt is hanging there. Towards my right you can find the bathroom. Sorry, it's a bit messy. So there's a bathtub with a shower. That's for storing the towels. A western toilet. And you also have these cute little bags which you can pull out. These can be used for flushing, or not flushing, but throwing something in the dustbin like tampons or something. And then you have tissue holder, facial tissue holders. That's me. And of course a wash basin. Sorry. Okay, so this is what you get. Calm Seas bath and shower gel, a moisturizer and a conditioning shampoo with a soap, and you get this every day. You could ask them. My review about the bathtub and the bathroom, I wouldn't say it's great. I would give it like 3 out of 5 stars, because if you see, there is scales on the bathtub and I wish they could have cleansed it a little bit more. Otherwise the bathtub is amazing. And I have another disclaimer, it's piping hot, so be careful. It's piping hot. You can't even adjust the hot water level in the tap. You can only adjust it in the shower. So be careful when you fill the bathtub. As you enter, you have, ta-da, a bed with 2 table lamps and a good ottoman with a sofa. This is my jacket. So you could just sit, put your legs on it. Well, you could of course move the ottoman. Here you have a mirror. It's really nice. You have like 3 mirrors. It's really good. So a full length vertical mirror, a horizontal mirror. It's really good. You have a dustbin, a table. Like the thing which really attracts me about this place is, even it's an executive room, it's super affordable, but you get really classy things. Like you have this amazing tall and long lamp. I can switch it on for you. Oh my god. Yeah, you have 2 lamp holders and this really long mirror. Like you could seriously guys have a photo shoot here. This is my hair straightening this thing which I got it, so I just straightened my hair, that's why it's outside. And it's my Apple laptop. Even this is mine. It obviously didn't come with the room. This is my laptop bag or my carry bag. This is another chair. So you have like two chairs. So if you have guests, it's really perfect. So you have like four options for sitting apart from the bed. So this is my suitcase. One disadvantage is that there is no suitcase holder, but that's fine. And of course, a full-length mirror. Hi. So the dress I'm wearing today, the top, it's from Lifestyle India, and the jeans, it's also from Lifestyle India. Yeah, that's the outfit of the day, and I don't think you guys can see the view, but I'll try to show. Yes, you can. It's a very nice place. You have a really good view, and yeah, and there's a cute plant too. Don't try smoking, it's a non-smoking zone. So you have a heater there. Those are my shoes, formal shoes. These are the ones which I'm wearing. So yeah, that's it. So to talk about pretty much the advantages of this room, I would say the long mirrors, the horizontal one and the vertical ones. So even if you go to a very good 5-star place, they don't give you like proper mirrors with proper lighting. You have to get a lamp or something to brighten up the space, but here you don't have to do that. You have so much mirrors and I absolutely love it. Perfect for doing makeup. And you have such a long table. Like what else do you want? You have so much storage space. You have like 3 cupboards. This place is like perfect. Like it's super affordable and you have all the amenities which you want. So on a scale of 5, I would totally give it a 4.5 at least. Maybe 4 because the bathtub was not that clean. And one more thing, if I had a suitcase holder, I would have kept my makeup on it by placing a towel, because I don't have anything to keep my makeup on. So what I'm planning to do is, it's just me. I'm gonna stay alone. I've come here for a friend's birthday party, but then I'm gonna be sleeping here alone, so I don't need 2 lamps. So what I'm gonna do is, this one obviously I need it because I think I'll sleep this way. You know, you enter, the lamp is there, it's fine. So but this side, you know, I have like 5 pairs of shoes in my bag, so I'm gonna spread it out. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this lamp, put it on the floor, take this table, keep it there, put my makeup on it, and then voila, use it. I will also show you the pictures. They have like 10 photos and it's really good. So just go for it, guys. It's super affordable and it's perfect. So if you want a really good 4-star hotel in Reading, please do visit Vere Wokefield Estate. And this is not a sponsored video. I came here out of the blue. I booked this using I forgot, Trivia, Zoopla. No, wait. Oh my god. Okay, I'll mention it in the comments. I forgot where I booked it, but I booked it online and it's been really nice place. Hope you enjoyed the video. So if you want more videos like this, thumbs up, give it a like, give your comments about it. If share any good experience or bad experience about this hotel, and if you want any more reviews, just comment. Thank you and bye.